Hey guys, today I'm going to show you one way to set up your workspace. I use two different setups depending on what I am creating. Today I will show you my vertical setup. A tutorial on my horizontal setup is coming soon. To hang my work I use a clothes rack. I purchased this clothes rack from Walmart for around $20 to $30. Additional places you could purchase a clothes rack from include IKEA, Amazon, Home Depot, and I'm sure there are a few others. This is not an adjustable clothes rack. These are available, although they are a little more expensive. I'll show you another way to adjust the level of your work using the clothes rack I have here. I use S-hooks to hang my dowel, piece of driftwood, etc. off of my clothes rack. I also use either hair elastics or rubber elastics and wrap them around the top of the clothes rack. This helps to prevent the S-hooks from moving around when I am working on my piece. I purchased my S-hooks at a local surplus store, but you can purchase S-hooks from IKEA, Amazon, and other places. Here's a tip. Make sure that you are purchasing large S-hooks so that you can hang several different sizes of pieces from your hooks. Despite purchasing large S-hooks, you may come across a large piece of driftwood that does not fit onto your S-hooks. Here's how you can hang your large pieces. I use scrap pieces of rope and tie them to my clothes rack. What is great about this method is that if you're using a piece of driftwood that is not straight, you can adjust the knot in your rope so that one side hangs higher or lower than the other so that your piece of driftwood hangs straight. You may want to adjust the level of your work depending on if you are working at the top of your wall hanging or at the bottom. Here is how you can adjust the level without using an adjustable clothes rack. Use a longer piece of scrap rope and tie it to your clothes rack. As you begin to work on your wall hanging, you will start to tie knots further and further down your work. To move your work closer to the top of your clothes rack, simply tie another knot above the first knot. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.